Hey, Dan and Stephanie, I just want to show you real quickly how to generate your enrollment keys. And I'm already signed in as myself, but I'm going to enter Dan's student course, his 6-hour course. So we're going to go to the course in preview mode. And from here, when you open up the student course, you simply select Generate Enrollment Key. Select a date you want the enrollment key to be good for by clicking on the dates, and you can make it as long or as short as you wish. Once you've done that, you just simply hit Generate Now. And remember, you can always generate a new enrollment key. This is the code you will give to students, and I will show you what that looks like here in a second. So I'm going to sign in as the test student, and then I will take the student out of Dan's course as soon as I'm done. Again, on Monday, most of your students should be able to simply use this login button. If that doesn't work, then we can use the spreadsheet that we have, and they'll get in that way. So when I log in as a test student, I will have this page here. Your students should not have any courses showing, and all they'll have to do is select Enroll in a course, take the enrollment key you gave them for the 6-hour, place it in there. They'll hit OK twice, and then the course will appear down here, and you'll get it there. And Stephanie knows this is for 6 hours, so for each of your hours you generate a new enrollment key, and that's how you keep your students separated and in the correct hours. So once the students are there, they should be able to open it up, and the first thing they see is a pre-course assessment. They also have these units if they wish to go to it, and the student just simply selects the pre-course assessment, 45 questions, 0 time limit, and they hit begin. And they can go from there. Before I end the video, I do want to show you one thing you each could choose to do as far as managing that test. So I'm now signed in as Dan, and notice under Dan's page he's got a lot of courses here, and they're either teacher templates or student courses. The templates are the pages you can work on, and then you can push those out to your courses. Some of these templates are from last year. I believe all these moving up are from last year, and Dan, we can try to move those away if you want. This is this year's, and we will be also adding a toggle switch so you can hide the templates from your view until you need them. But I'm going to jump into a student course, and then I'm going to go to assessments, and this will leave up to you, each of you, on how you want to handle it. Here's pretest. If I expand it, I have the ability to manage restrictions. And under manage restrictions, I can set times where it starts and ends. I can also do individual user restrictions. And then the big one that you guys have to decide is if you want to prevent results from showing. The students still see their scores and they still get recommended resources, they just don't see each individual question. You simply check it here, and you can always uncheck it later as well, so it's not a permanent decision. It's one of those things that if you want to hide them until everyone's taken the pretest, and you can expand it later on. So that's your choice. You do have to do that for each individual hour if you choose to do so. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.